We're going to show you how to build models and run simulations within VisualCommander for our Lunar Lander simulation. First thing we do is open DSim Manager and open the Lunar Lander model, which we've done. Now we're going to add a electrical load model into the simulation. We just drag and drop it. We give it a new name. Now we're going to go look at the variables and change a couple of them. And this is how you add new models. You can drag pre-existing models, or you can write your own and add them to the menu on the left. We're not actually going to save this. And now we're going to start running VisualCommander, the Lunar Lander simulation. There, the data window appeared. Now we're going to actually load in the simulation, and they're coming up right now. It'll take a moment for it to load fully. On the right is the 3D display. On the left is the orbit position display. You can write your own displays and add them. So we're just showing different views of the spacecraft, and then we're going to the orbit position display and expanding the scale a bit. Now we're just going to go through the various windows. You can add more windows if you'd like. This is the attitude control window. This is the propulsion system window, and so on. Now we're going to show you how to add, on the fly, new data points. This will be for the sun sensor. We're going to add roll and pitch measurements. Again, we go back to our data hierarchy, which shows all the data points that are available. You can not only add data points, but you could add plots and other displays, 3D displays, and as I mentioned earlier, even displays of your own design. Just moving the parameters around, expanding them because they are arrays. We're back on the attitude control page, and we're going to command a maneuver to move to a particular quaternion orientation. Just entering in the target quaternion. And now it's saying do quaternion tracking, and you can see some activity in the plot. And you can see the spacecraft moving, the thrusters firing. As it reorients, the antenna and the solar panel automatically reorient as you change the spacecraft orientation. What we're doing now is speeding up the sim, make it go roughly 100 times real time. The maximum speed will depend on your processor. Now you can see the maneuver back on the attitude control page. And you can see it's quite smooth and is moving to completion.